Well, I think I have changed clothes 3 times in this video already. I am sorry. It's been an odd day. I was outside and it was very, very warm. I came inside and with the air conditioning on and I'm very, very cold, so I put on sleeves. And what I am wearing is a JMCLAUGHLIN kind of a workout top. And these are Lululemon leggings. These are a grayish black color, and I'm wearing on cloud tennis shoes. I have spent the afternoon working in my closet doing some organizing, and I'm not sure if I've ever taken you on a tour of my closet. Maybe when we first bought the house and we had not done renovations, then you wouldn't recognize some of the house now that we have done so many renovations. So I'm so excited about it, and now I'm organizing this closet, and I have come across some really great organizing accessories, and I'm going to show you those. And if you haven't seen the house at all before renovations, I will put that little short, I think it's like maybe a 3-minute video of the house that when we first bought it and had not done any renovations. I'll put that at the end of the video. But those of you who have followed me through some of this renovation will be surprised at some changes that are upcoming. We have things going on that I'm going to show you over the next couple of months, some really nice changes to the house. But right now, I am working on the closet, getting it as organized as possible. The plan is for the closet to look somewhat like a boutique, but someone I know, and you know who you are, and will probably be watching this video, told me it does look like a boutique, but right now it looks like the clearance section. And I thought that was really funny because it really does look like a mess in there at moments. But you know, when you're organizing your closet, there are some areas that are just a disaster. Well, I have a couple areas in my closet that are a disaster, but I have some that look really great. And so I'm going to show those to you and show you some of the items that I found for organizing that I have been very shocked by in terms of their functionality and how nice they look, and they're very budget friendly. So let me take you in the closet and show that to you. You remember the boxes I had at the front door that were delivered when they looked really somewhat flat boxes? Well, that was because the items were unassembled. And so we assembled those, and I've been in here putting things away in them. And you are not going to believe how fabulous these are. You're going to scramble to buy them. I'm going to turn the camera around, and I'm so excited about this. Look at these containers for handbags. I absolutely fell in love with them, and they are incredible. Look at this. They open from the front. Look, isn't that fantastic? I have my dust bag here and then a bag, and then you just close it up. This way you can see your bags and you don't have to have them in the dust cover. I absolutely think these are fantastic. And so I've ordered some more for up here. I have several more bags that I want to put in, and I hope they come in the next couple of days. This is a corner of the closet that was just stacked with things, the dust bags, the bags, the boxes, and I'm so pleased. See my empty spot, ready for another one. I just think this is the greatest idea. It really does feel like you are in a cute little shop and you found the bag you want and you open and there it is. And this is a bag that I've had for many years. It's a Chanel bag, and it was the boyfriend bag. I haven't used it so much lately. I like to use it in the winter time mostly. And of course I have my darker wintry bags down here and the lighter bags up here, and some of those you'll recognize from videos. I am so excited about this, and I can't wait for these other containers to come in. And I did not put these together personally. I had someone special put them together and did a great job, and it didn't take long at all. I watched them being assembled, and it was so, if we can do it, you can do it. Look at this. I'm so excited about this. Now here I have rows of container store bins, and what I have done is use these to store workout wear so I can get to them in a moment's notice, and they fit perfectly in my configuration of the closet. But measure your closet and see if they're going to work for you. They do come in several sizes, and there's some little jeans for summer. They come in several sizes, and you might find some that fit just as well as these did. And I will link all of the things I'm showing you in the description box below, because I'm so excited for you to enjoy these as much as I did. Oh look, here's an empty one. See, it's made of, this is a sort of a woven, almost like a, I don't know what it would be, like a tweed, but it has a plastic feel to it. And then inside it's cotton. It's cotton lined. Love, love, love those. And then I ordered these items. I have a lot of fashion jewelry, and I have my summer over here and winter over here, but I also have things other places. But these cute little necklaces just always were a problem, and I bought these clear plastic necklace holders as a jewelry holder. These also came unassembled, and I put these together myself, I can proudly say, and it was just the simplest thing ever. They only have a couple screws. There's a screw right there. If I get the camera to focus for you, there is a screw there, there is a screw there, and then it screws in the base right here. So don't worry about assembling that. And oh my goodness, things are really coming together. So happy me. Okay, so I am down here on the carpet trying to get everything organized, and it's an ongoing project. But one thing that I found that is going to help me in this project is white velvet hangers. I have been hunting for these forever. I found many colors. I found pink, I found black. Black might have worked, but I really had my heart set on white velvet. So I finally found those. Now I can organize and have a uniform look in this closet. I don't want it to continue to look like the clearance section of the boutique, so this is going to help a bit. Then I found this to organize my sunglasses. If you are traveling this summer, you might want to look into this, because look at this. You can carry your sunglasses in this little carrying case. It folds up so beautifully to put in luggage. And look at this. You unsnap and look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pairs of sunglasses. You don't have to carry individual sunglass cases, and it has Velcro strap that holds your sunglasses in place so they don't fall out. And that was important to me. I had looked at several sunglass organizers, and they did not have that strap, so I just knew I would have 5 pairs of sunglasses in something like this, and they would all fall out on the ground or on a piece of tile in a bathroom or something, and then I was going to be really upset, because nothing worse than breaking a nice pair of sunglasses. Now I don't have to worry about that because I'm organized. Look at this. I love it. And it came in this box. Let's see if I can find like the style number or something on it. I'll keep looking, and then I'll put it below. Most of these items I've ordered from Amazon, or like I said, those organizing baskets came from Container Store. So I'll find that information for you and put it below. I think of all the things that I've ordered, this was the most surprising, because I had planned to buy just clear plastic boxes, maybe a little larger than a shoe box, but I ran across these and could not believe the quality of these and the fact that they actually look like you would see them in a store. I just was thrilled to death for that. And let's see, I apologize for the hair. I actually have a hair appointment tomorrow, so I can't wait to get there. I may be the first one in line, so I can get this done. I made a long appointment because everything is wrong with my hair. I don't know if it's the weather, but that has nothing to do with the color. The color's off. They're actually going to also put a glaze in my hair, and I'm not even sure what a glaze is, but I am up for having it done. Anything to improve the looks of what's going on. It's just tragic. And I'll let you know about the glaze. I'm going to do some research on that and ask a lot of questions, but it can't be a bad thing, I don't think. And let's see, FYI, I'm wearing Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk lipstick and lip liner, and I'm wearing Ardell Naked Lashes, and this is style 420. And you know, we talked about these in the past when I bought them. I've worn them twice since I bought them, and I really do like them. I was looking for a lighter lash, nothing really thick, something I could wear during the day or into the early evening, and this is working great. The only downside, it's not really a downside, is that it takes a moment or two longer to apply these because the band on the lash is so flexible that when you put it across your lash line, it's kind of wiggly, so it's difficult to get it perfectly smooth. But if you take a few moments extra, you can smooth those out. So I'm still testing these out, but I think I have a winner here. And so I hope you enjoyed my little organizing video, and I'll keep you updated on that. And if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you next week. Bye.